DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time this video got to you. And if this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, please don't forget to go a step further, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop a new video. Now let's take you straight up to the main news. The All Progressive Congress don't finally pick date where they will hold their party national convention for Nigeria. If you want to hear the date, follow us to the end of this video. This is still DJM TV Daily News Update. The All Progressive Congress APC don't finally pick date when the party go hold their convention. And according to the National Secretary of the All Progressive Congress Caretaker and Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee, Senator John Akpanudo Idehe, he announced to say list of activities they will be like say go come before the party national convention will finally hold. In to say the APC Caretaker and Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee don't hold their 19th regular meeting on the 19th of January 2022, and they don't finally decide say the activities that will go happen before the party national convention and during the party national convention go start on the 31st of January 2022. Don't forget say earlier we bring a news for here for DJM TV Daily News Update say many kitty and kata they happen sake of say some people they say my Buni get ambition to become vice president as such he want postpone the convention so that the thing would work in the favor, at least make it for know whether or not Tinubu will become a presidential candidate or not. Sake of say he no say if forgot Tinubu become presidential candidate he no go fit become vice presidential candidate. This allegation are waiting my Bono don't come and say lie, nothing like that. You know the reason like that they carefully they meet to plan. Although say some of the chieftains for APC they accuse him, the guy he not really give in to their accusation. But now Senator John don't come as I got to say from the 31st of January 2022 the activities will go precede the national convention go start. This one is still DJM TV Daily News Update, and if you just join us, you never to miss anything. And may you don't forget to like this video, of course, share the video, and also may you subscribe to this channel so that all of us will be one big happy family. So we could continue the gist what would they give on them. Senator John, the National Secretary of the APC Caretaker and Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee, don't come as I got to say activities will start on the 31st of January 2022, and the list of the activities now be this. He said for 31st of January 2022 they will receive interim report of the National Reconciliation Committee. Then on the 2nd of February 2022 they will consider and adopt the report of the state congresses. And also on the 3rd of February 2022, they will inaugurate officially the state executives. And then 14th of February, they will sell forms for everybody where they aspire to become national officers for the APC National Secretariat. And then on the 19th of February, everybody must submit their form with accompanying document to the APC National Secretariat on or before the 19th of February 2022, and they say also for that February 19th they will publish subcommittees, and also on the 20th to 22nd of February they will screen all the aspirants where they vie for national offices. Then February 23rd they will screen appeals to hear and resolve complaints wey arise from the screening exercise. 25th they say they will accredit all stationary and elected delegates to the National Convention between 24th and 25th, and then also the 26th of February, I will be the National Convention where they will elect national officers to the National Executive Committee. Then on the 28th, Senator John told the National Convention appeal to hear and resolve complaints wey arise from the National Convention. This is not still DJM TV Daily News Update. May you not forget to like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. If you just join us, welcome. Back to the matter where with the gist.
All Progressive Congress don finally roll out their timetable wey go meet up with the party national convention. The thing go start on the 31st of January 2022 and e go dey end on the 28th of February 2022. The main convention date kpakpa na be February 26, 2022. Now the caretaker committee national secretary Senator John na give all this informate on top of interview. Now im talk say many things go happen, but say the committee never really decide on the issue of zoning of the National Working Committee offices. So people say, okay, the zone a national chairman of APC go north, that means the zone presidential candidate go south. He say APC they never decide on that one yet, and they yet to decide. But many people they look and say, this one like say they don't say indirect primary so go fit happen. Una sure say all this will not be how governors go take get say pass people will be delegates for inside the matter. But where many people see they look at, the same people see they look at the APC convention go. We see the way People's Democratic Party go free and fair, peaceful, no wahala arise from the thing. So we dey hope say APC National Convention wahala no go arise from inside. Now since the announcement of the date of the APC National Convention, many people don come outside cut us. Some people say, okay, where all those people wey say my Malabunu get ambition, na make I no make they hold the party. I think I don finally bring out the date now. Everybody don enter inside their house. Everybody don quiet. Say some people for Nigeria too dey even dey quick dey talk some kind thing sef. Say na so the Progressive Governors Forum come aside. We go fight my Malabunu to stand still. We no go gree. If you no bring out date, blah blah blah. So they talk. We no go gree. We no go gree. Even people wey dey follow my Malabunu dey work inside committee. Some of them come as I say, na only my Malabunu dey take all the decisions. Dem no understand wetin dey happen. But now Senator John will be the national secretary of this APC Extraordinary Caretaker Committee and Convention Planning Committee. Don't come as I got us saying 26th of February now we go hold our national convention. And so all those people would like to contest for national offices, may they go by form. May they ready the date, they already announced her. But a couple stands for some people Gary where they say, hey, they go soon zone the thing. They go soon zone national chairman of APC. He said they never decide on that one. Say that one, they deliver open for now. Say, but if anything go change between now and 26th of February 2022, they will still let people know, say, okay, something don't change. Say, but for now, nothing don't change. This is still DJM TV Daily News Update. So many people don't get eye for the APC National Convention because, you know now, as they do now we be like, say, PDP don't bring their own come from Middle Belt, from Benue State. They look at, okay, we see where the APC national chairman will come. But not forget, since 2020, we be like, say, they remove Adams Oshomole as the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress. That seat, though they vacant, they can just put a, caretaker committee where they take care of the All Progressive Congress since. And this caretaker committee, they can give them assignment to make sure, say, they organize now APC National Convention we go bring in new set of national officers, and at this one now they don't do. Now many people they get speculation say, oh no, maybe Adams Oshomole fit get sale for who will come out or who will win the national chairman of APC. Based on say the guy still get one or two influences. But some other people they say forget Adams Oshomole not get any influence there. Since when they come out as a APC national chairman, nobody don't hear from him. He just dey in his own small corner. They respect itself. But many people that say, okay, this one like say Tinubu, they just say now in life ambition to become president of Nigeria. Maybe he go fit influence who go become national chairman of the All Progressive Congress. Many ifs and buts the day people they dot their I's, they cross their T's ahead of 26th of February will be the national convention of the All Progressive Congress. So my country people, you don't hear the matter where they grand. It go still make sense if you say still chook matter inside the matter. Tell us what you think concerning this date of the APC National Convention and if they go possibly zone the chairmanship to any region of the country. Drop out for the comment section for button.
Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJN TV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor.
Yeah.
DJN TV. DJN TV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJN TV.
DJN TV. DJN TV. DJN TV. DJN TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJN TV. DJN TV.